Today, I'll show you how to contact Jotform Support efficiently. Whether you're a new user or a seasoned pro, reaching out to support can sometimes be necessary to resolve any issues or questions you might have. In this quick tutorial, we'll navigate through the steps to make sure you get the help you need. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and type in jotform.com. This is the main website where all of Jotform's features and resources are housed. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already. It's always helpful to know your way around, especially when you're looking for something specific like support. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find a range of options, but what you're looking for is the support link. Clicking on this will take you to the support section of the website. The support section is designed to cater to a variety of needs, from frequently asked questions to community forums. But for direct contact, we're going to take another step. Once you're in the support section, look for the option that says Contact Support. It might be tempting to explore other resources, but if you have a specific question or need personalized help, contacting support is your best bet. Clicking Contact Support will lead you to a form where you can directly communicate with the Jotform support team. Now comes the crucial part, typing out your question. This is where clarity is key. Be as detailed as possible to ensure the support team understands your issue. Include any relevant information such as the specific problem you're encountering, any error messages, and what steps you've already taken to try and resolve it. The more information you provide, the easier it will be for the support team to assist you promptly. Remember, the support team is there to help, so don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or concerns you have. Whether it's a technical issue, a billing question, or simply needing guidance on how to use a specific feature, they can provide the assistance you need. By following these steps, you'll be able to connect with Jotform support quickly and efficiently. It's important to remember that reaching out for help is a normal part of using any service, and Jotform's support team is ready to ensure your experience is as smooth as possible. Thanks for tuning in to this tutorial on how to contact Jotform support. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Have a great day and good luck with your Jotform endeavors.